Hello everyone, welcome back to Spider e-learning platform. Today we will discuss on volume oscillator, trading guide with volume oscillator. Let us look at the definition of volume oscillator. Volume oscillator is not the actual level of volume, but it is the change in volume relative to the recent past that has more technical significance. It displays the difference between two moving averages. It shows the relative strength of a shorter moving average to a longer one. In simple terms, if the fast moving average is above the slow moving average, then the oscillator is positive, and if the fast moving average is below the slow moving average, then the oscillator is negative. Now let us understand how to interpret volume oscillator. Volume oscillator should rise in rallying market. When an issue becomes overbought or oversold, oscillator will reverse its direction. It fluctuates above and below the zero line. The indicator plots positive value above the zero line and negative value below the zero line. A positive value suggests enough market support exists to continue driving price activity in the direction of the current trend, whereas a negative value suggests lack of support. It is important to note that an increasing price together with the declining volume is always without the exception bearish. Also, rising volume together with the declining price is bearish. Now let us understand the sign of strength and weakness with the volume oscillator. An increase or decrease in price by increase in volume is considered as a sign of strength. When the fast moving average is above the slow moving average and volume oscillator is above the zero line, confirming a price direction shows strength. Whereas increase or decrease in price with decrease in volume is considered as a sign of weakness. When the fast moving average is below the slow moving average and volume oscillator is below the zero line, confirming a price direction lacks a strength. Now let us understand how to build a query with the volume oscillator with the help of technical query in our Spider software. So this is the technical query feature in our software. Here condition 0, that is first condition, will be volume is rising for last n bars. Number of bars will be 2. Check on n back bar will be 0, add. Condition 1 will be price OHLC. Open is equals to low. Use will be open within 0.1%. Check on nth back bar will be 1. Condition 2 will be price OHLC. Current close is greater than previous high. Use will be close. Check on nth back bar 0. Condition 3 will be volume oscillator. Rising for last n bars, number of bars will be 2. Check on n back bar 0, add. Now for selling side, first condition will be price OHLC. Open is equals to high. Use will be open within %0.1. Check on nth back bar 1. Add. Condition 6 will be price OHLC. Current close is less than previous low. Use will be close. Check on nth back bar 0. Add. Condition 7 will be volume oscillator. Falling for last n bar, number of bars will be 2. Check on nth back bar 0. Here we won't be adding another condition for volume. Now we have to make the relation of this condition over here. For buying side it will be C0 to C3. Description by. For selling it will be C5, C6, C7 and C0 for volume. Description cell. You can set the color from here. for buying green and for selling red. Tick the relationship button. In filter condition, I am taking rate as greater than equals to 200, quantity greater than equals to 10 lakh, and trades greater than equal to 100. Time frame will be daily, and group I am selecting here is Nifty 500. Now let us check the result in query offset 0 only. For buying side, we have got one result, that is Thermax. So the condition was volume should be rising for last 3 bars. So you can see over here the volume is rising from last 3 bars. Previous candle open and low should be same. Current candle close should be greater than previous candle high, along with volume oscillator should be rising since last 2 bars. Here it was 2.04, and in current candle the value of volume oscillator is 11.53. We have to check the value of this pink line over here. Confirmation we got in the current candle. High of previous candle was 2229.70. So nearby 2230. So nearby 2230 you can enter, and high it has shown of 2299. More than 50 points movement it has shown in the single candle. You can keep the stop loss and target as 1:3 over here. Now previous day का result check कर लेते हैं यहाँ पे query offset 1 करके. टाटा कंज्यूमर आया है बाइंग साइड पर. करंट कैंडल को यहाँ पर स्किप करेंगे. प्रीवियस कैंडल पे यहाँ हमें कंफर्मेशन मिला है. कंडीशन यहाँ पे सारी फुलफिल हुई है. प्रीवियस कैंडल का ओपन एंड लो यहाँ पर सेम है 780.50. करंट कैंडल का क्लोज इज 807.85 विच इज ग्रेटर देन प्रीवियस कैंडल्स हाई 796.55. वॉल्यूम में भी यहाँ पर प्रीवियस 3 डे से स्पाइक मिला है. 18.05 से लेकर ये अभी 31.95 पर है. एंड वॉल्यूम ऑसिलेटर का भी वैल्यू यहाँ पे इंक्रीज हो रहा है. सो प्रीवियस कैंडल का हाई यहाँ पर था 796.55, यानी कि 797 पर आपकी यहाँ पे एंट्री बनती है. हाई इस कैंडल ने 813.80 का दिया है, एंड करेंटली इट इज ट्रेडिंग एट 786.95. क्वेरी ऑफसेट 2 पर भी एक बार रिजल्ट्स चेक कर लेते हैं. अगेन बाइंग साइड पे 2 स्टॉक्स आए हैं, दैट इज ट्रेंड एंड ज़ील. ट्रेंड यहाँ पे पहले चेक कर लेते हैं. करंट कैंडल को यहाँ पे स्किप करेंगे. प्रीवियस 2 कैंडल दैट इज 1 एंड 2, ये कैंडल पर आपको यहाँ पे इंडिकेशन आया है. कंडीशन यहाँ पे फुलफिल हुई है. प्रीवियस कैंडल का हाई इज 1454.35. देन 1455 पर आपकी यहाँ पे एंट्री बनती है. हाई इसने अभी तक 1522.50 का दिखाया है. एज पर 3% टारगेट यहाँ पे ट्रेंड का टारगेट यहाँ पे अचीव हो चुका है. करेंटली इट इज ट्रेडिंग एट 1398.15. नेक्स्ट स्टॉक इज ज़ील. करंट कैंडल को यहाँ पे स्किप करेंगे. प्रीवियस 2 कैंडल्स यानी कि इस कैंडल पे इंडिकेशन आया. उसके पहले के कैंडल का हाई इज 245.75, दैट इज 246 पे आपकी यहाँ पे एंट्री बनेगी. हाई इस कैंडल ने 256.40 का दिया है. करेंटली इट इज ट्रेडिंग एट 260.25. So in this way you can use the query on volume oscillator indicator. For any query regarding this video, you can contact me on this given number. Thank you for watching the video.